If you want to update apps on Samsung Galaxy A17, then we have two ways to do so. You can open the Play Store, tap on your profile over here in the top right corner, and then we can choose Manage Apps and Device. Over here you should be able to find updates and how much is available. You can tap over here in order to see the list, and you can update one by one, or you can press Update All over here in order to do so. You can also check if there is an update for a specific app by just simply writing the name of the app. So let's say I'm gonna write Facebook over here, and if there is an update waiting, then of course you have the update button, or you can tap over here in order to find it as well. Besides that, you can also use the Galaxy Store. In this case, you actually have to have a Samsung account to be able to use it. And in order to find updates, we can go to menu over here in the bottom right corner, and then over here, as you can see, we have updates. So this is how we can update most of Samsung apps. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.